What's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the hottest rides, the coolest classics, and the most jaw-dropping modern machines. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the legendary Plymouth Roadrunner A12 Reborn for 2026. This isn't just a car, it's a time machine that takes one of the most iconic muscle cars in history and reimagines it with cutting-edge technology, modern performance, and styling that pays homage to its roots. The 2026 Roadrunner A12 isn't here to blend in, it's here to dominate the streets and make your heart race. Let's start with what made the A12 famous in the first place: raw, unapologetic power. Under the hood of the 2026 Roadrunner A12, you'll find a modernized HEMI V8, pushing out an earth-shaking 650 horsepower. This engine is a direct nod to the big block beasts of the late 60s and early 70s, but with today's engineering magic, it delivers that same muscle car thunder with improved efficiency, reliability, and response. The throttle response is instant, the acceleration is brutal, and the exhaust note is pure American muscle, deep, throaty, and guaranteed to turn heads blocks away. The exterior design stays true to its heritage but with a modern twist. The 2026 Roadrunner A12 features the same aggressive stance, long hood, and short rear deck that made the original a legend, but now it's sharpened with aerodynamic lines, LED lighting, and larger, more aggressive wheels wrapped in performance tires. The famous air grabber hood scoop makes its return, functional and ready to feed that HEMI the air it craves. You'll find subtle Easter eggs throughout the design that pay tribute to the original A12, from the badging to the stripe patterns, making it clear this car knows where it came from. Inside, the Roadrunner A12 gets a complete 21st century makeover. You've got a driver-focused cockpit with premium leather and suede sports seats, digital instrument clusters, and a massive touchscreen infotainment system with the latest connectivity features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a high-end sound system that's perfect for blasting classic rock while cruising. The cabin blends retro touches, light chrome accents and vintage-style shifter, with the tech and comfort expected from a modern performance car. Performance-wise, the 2026 Roadrunner A12 is an absolute monster on both the street and the track. With an advanced 8-speed automatic or optional 6-speed manual, launch control, and adaptive suspension, it's built for high-speed runs and sharp cornering. Brembo brakes provide incredible stopping power, and multiple drive modes allow you to switch from comfortable cruising to track-ready aggression at the press of a button. The A12 name has always been synonymous with performance dominance, and Dodge's revival of this Plymouth classic makes it clear they're serious about keeping that legacy alive. Whether you're pulling up at a car meet, hitting the drag strip, or just enjoying a spirited drive on a winding road, the 2026 Roadrunner A12 makes you feel like you're part of a golden era of American muscle, but without sacrificing modern comfort and safety. Safety features include lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system to make sure all that power doesn't come at the expense of control. Plus, the lightweight yet rigid chassis ensures maximum stability at high speeds while keeping handling razor sharp. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner A12 is more than a car, it's a statement. It says you value heritage, crave performance, and demand a ride that stands out in a sea of bland, cookie-cutter designs. It's an unapologetic muscle car for a new generation, blending the best of the past with the technology of the future. This is the Roadrunner Reborn, and it's ready to blow past anything in its lane.